Have you ever looked at a majestic mountain range, an intricate seashell, or a breathtaking sunset and wondered about the incredible forces that brought them into existence? We often marvel at human ingenuity, but what about the original architect, the master builder that operates on scales from the microscopic to the cosmic? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of nature made, exploring the awe-inspiring creations and sophisticated systems crafted by our planet and the universe itself, without any human intervention. From towering geological formations to the very essence of life, we'll uncover how nature builds, designs, and sustains with unparalleled brilliance. Get ready to be amazed by the ultimate creator. Our journey begins with Earth's grandest sculptures, geological wonders. Consider the Grand Canyon, a mile-deep testament carved over millions of years by the persistent flow of the Colorado River, alongside tectonic uplift and erosion. Even deeper, beneath the surface, minerals crystallize under immense pressure and heat, forming gems like diamonds or intricate cave systems adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, drip by painstaking drip. These colossal formations demonstrate nature's patience and relentless power, shaping landscapes on a timescale humans can barely comprehend, creating monuments that inspire humility and wonder. Next, let's explore nature's biological masterpieces, the living world. From the vibrant complexity of a coral reef, meticulously constructed by tiny polyps over centuries, to the astonishing strength and elasticity of spider silk, stronger than steel by weight, life itself is a testament to nature's engineering genius. Plants, through photosynthesis, convert sunlight into energy, forming the base of nearly every food web and demonstrating an efficiency we're still striving to replicate. These biological systems not only create beauty but also provide vital services, showcasing evolution's continuous innovation in design and function. Nature also excels at elemental alchemy, transforming fundamental substances into essential resources. Take water, for instance. Nature purifies it through a continuous cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, filtering it through soil and rock layers to remove impurities, a process far more extensive and ancient than any human water treatment plant. Diamonds, those glittering symbols of luxury, are simply carbon atoms that have undergone immense pressure and heat deep within the Earth's mantle, crystallizing into one of the hardest natural materials known. These elemental transformations highlight the planet's internal furnaces and chemical laboratories working ceaselessly. Beyond the visible, nature is a master engineer and problem solver on a global scale. Forests act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing vast quantities of carbon dioxide and regulating global climate patterns, essentially performing planetary air conditioning. Wetlands filter pollutants from water, preventing them from reaching our oceans, while complex fungal networks beneath our feet facilitate nutrient exchange across entire ecosystems, connecting disparate plants in a silent, underground economy. These natural systems don't just exist, they actively manage and maintain the delicate balance required for life to thrive, showcasing an intrinsic intelligence. Delving even deeper, we uncover nature's invisible creations, the microscopic world and the subtle forces that govern our existence. Consider the soil microbiome, a bustling city of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that are absolutely essential for breaking down organic matter, cycling nutrients, and making soil fertile. Or the mesmerizing bioluminescence in deep-sea creatures, generating light through complex chemical reactions without heat, a feat human engineers strive to mimic for energy efficiency. Even the stunning auroras, painted across polar skies, are nature's art created by solar particles interacting with Earth's magnetic field, a celestial light show that dwarfs any human spectacle. The sheer scope and intricacy of what is nature made is truly humbling, reminding us of the profound intelligence and creativity inherent in the universe itself. From the vastness of geological formations to the delicate dance of microscopic life, nature continually creates, innovates, and sustains. Recognizing these wonders fosters a deeper appreciation for our planet and its intricate workings. Which nature-made phenomenon fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the wonders of our natural world, please hit that like button, subscribe for more captivating insights, and share this video with fellow nature enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world around you.